Jij bent klaar. Ik ben ook klaar inmiddels. YouTube is ook live?
Yes.
Okay. Hello YouTube, hello Instagram, hello Facebook. Anybody watching on Facebook, Instagram, you guys know it. Stop. Go over to YouTube because we've got good mics. Same as always, we're back to normal donations. Underneath the video, there's a link. You know, go make sure you invite. What's the thing that people have to do today? What's the call to action? The call to action.
Can you give us I don't know, what was the call to action in
The one last week was because it was Cornish, then someone you want to go to Cornwall with.
Oh. Is there a theme for this week?
No, there isn't a theme.
Okay, then
Tag somebody who you would like to watch this concert with.
someone whose name starts with a B, from Benjamin.
That's a very good one. Go and invite one person whose name begins with a B to come and watch. And otherwise, let's, enjoy the song. Is the sound good? I am assuming the sound is good.
Oh yeah.
Let people, if somebody could let me know in the comments, that would be great.
Poi, where are you?
Poi, Lynn Goldsmith, the normal,
Do people already know
Sharon.
Tom and Linda Jones?
Two people what?
Do people already know who Poi is?
Yeah, I guess people don't know who Poi is, but it's
Yeah,
nice keeping it as a
because
surprise.
One of the concerts we said, whoever guesses.
Oh, true, they win a prize, right?
Oh.
So whoever guesses who Poi is wins a prize.
I
Anyway,
think it was like 5 years ago or something. At least. I mean, the year was 1941.
anyway, I hope you guys are having a lovely Friday. Thank you for joining us. We've got a lot of lovely songs today. Poi says perfect sound. Thank you, Poi. He'll hear this in about 5 minutes because of the delay, of course. Anyway, here we go. We're going to start off with a lovely, sad, depressing Indonesian song called Malam Sepi. Aku benci malam sepi, bimbang diri datang lagi. saat ku dabahkan diri waktu bahagiaku bersama dia hanya dalam mimpi. Aku harus bagaimana, tak ingin berpisah, namun hatiku berkata sudah. Aku memang butuh dia, namun diriku bukan untuknya. Kau bersamanya. Love that song. Beautiful Indonesian song, Malam Sepi, which means, I believe, if it's good, lonely night. I am being sent inappropriate messages by my sound man, as normal. So I will be there for 1 second. Are people? Oh, Hida's doing. Am I actually now getting inappropriate messages?
No.
Fantastic.
Oh, shit.
Hello, everybody. Oh, it's so lovely that there's so many people already writing in the comments. Hi, Lynn, welcome. Thank you very much for your donation last week. Hi, Andrew. Superleuk dat je er bent. Hi, Bertie. Lovely that you're there. Hi, Beth. Hi, Seth. And hi, William and Alyssa, if y'all are watching. And yeah, I also, and Greg, it's always nice to the Deer Hunter. Exactly. It makes me very happy when people actually, oh Lord, you guys, these messages. It's lovely, yeah, when people get the little things that I get. Okay, sorry, I'm a bit distracted from the, right, where do we go from here? We've got a lot of lovely songs tonight. Remember, you guys can always send some suggestions in, and maybe we'll get around to doing it. As for now, here is a translation by the amazing Ans Bouter, Hunkerende Hart, which was from a beautiful song by India Martinez called Corazón Hambriento. Er is nog hoop, er is nog later. We zijn nog altijd aan het praten, zijn wij veranderd dan een ander einde kan. We zijn nog wie we eerder waren. De waarheid heeft de lucht doen klaar. Ik zie de sterren weer. Begrijpen ze dit keer? Is er voordat we samen willen zijn? Een goede reden, ook al voelen we de pijn. O liefste, laat mijn hunkerende hart jouw liefde geven. Ik hou een leven lang van jou, o liefste, laat me bij jou zijn, 1000 winters bij je blijven. Blijf bij me. Kom mijn schat, vergeet het. is nog hoop, er is nog later. Het evenwicht is delicater en een lieve kus betoverd. Zoals altijd is er, voordat we samen willen zijn. Goeie reden, ook al voelen wij de pijn. Oh, liefste, laat mijn hunkerende hart jouw liefde geven. Ik hou een leven lang van jou, oh, liefste, laat me bij jou zijn. 1000 winters bij je blijven. Blijf bij me. Oh mijn hemel, liefste, laat, als je 's morgens vroeg nog slaapt, me naar je liggen kijken. Nooit alleen meer zijn bestaat als ons vuur 4 vlammen heeft. Oh, liefste, laat mijn hunkerende hart jouw liefde geven. Ik kan een leven lang van jou, liefste, laat me bij jou zijn. 1000 winters bij je blijven. Blijf bij me. Kom, mijn schat, vergeet het. Geef mij eens je handen, kijk in mijn ogen. Ik zit vol van iets dat jij moet weten. Geheel mijn hart heb ik aan jou gegeven. En zo zal het altijd zijn. Twijfel niet aan hetgeen we samen delen. En geloof me, ik twijfel niet aan jou. Beloof me dat jij jezelf zal blijven. Ja, het is goed zo, niet veranderen voor mij. Voor mij ben jij de liefde. Voor mij. Voor mij ben jij het beste wat er is. Niets meer dat ik zou willen. Je bent alles voor mij. Geef mij eens je handen, ik wil één zijn met je. Mijn plaats is hier bij jou voor heel mijn leven. En ik weet niet zeker of je weet wat je doet met mij. Soms krijg ik kippenvel van jou. En ik word elke dag weer verliefd op dezelfde maan. En jij maakt me zo blij als je even naar me lacht. Tot na mijn laatste adem, tot na mijn laatste kerst, tot in de eeuwigheid zal jij het zijn. Voor mij ben jij de liefde, voor mij ben jij het beste wat er is. Niets meer dat ik zou willen. En als het tegen zit, wil ik dichter bij je zijn. En ik zal voor je zorgen. Jouw pijn is mijn pijn. Niet te veel van jou voor mij, want jij bent het. Ja, jij bent het. Voor mij ben jij de liefde, oh, voor mij. Voor mij ben jij het beste wat er is. Niks meer dat ik zou willen. Voor mij, voor mij ben jij het beste wat er is, baby. Niks meer dat ik zou willen. Je bent alles voor mij. Jij bent alles voor mij. Voor mij ben jij het beste wat er is. Ja, het beste. Niks meer dat ik zou willen. Niks meer dat ik zou willen. Je bent alles voor. Mijn ogen liegen niet. Ik lees aan jouw gezicht af dat er iets veranderd is. Alsof al ons verdriet is verdwenen in je glimlach. Vandaag schijnt een ander licht. Ik ben benieuwd wat jouw geheim is. Deel het met mij. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Je bent mooi wanneer je stil bent. Mooi wanneer je praat. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi wanneer je wakker wordt. Mooi wanneer je slaapt. Jij bent mooi als ik je zie. Zie je stralen als het zonlicht op de meer. De mooiste ben je liever, al heb je dat niet door. Dan zeg ik het graag, ja daar ben ik toch voor. Ik ben er vandaag en morgen. Oh, Ook als de nacht zich meldt, liever dan schijn je zelfs meer. Morgen als ik wakker word, dan zeg ik het weer. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Je bent mooi wanneer je stil bent, mooi wanneer je praat. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi wanneer je wakker wordt en mooi wanneer je slaapt. Leen mij een beetje van jouw licht. Haal mij uit de schaduw. Ik zou willen vliegen, maar ik draag te veel gewicht. Leen mij je vleugels. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Je bent mooi wanneer je stil bent, mooi wanneer je praat. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Je bent mooi wanneer je wakker wordt, zelfs mooi als je me haat, maar dat doe je nooit. Starting the evening off with a little Dutch melody. Hi meneer, Vira, oh leuk dat je er bent. Ja, vind ik ook echt een supermooi liedje. Wil je komen hoi zeggen tegen Vera Wits?
Vera?
Ja.
Oh,
Ja, toch?
leuk. We have Brian Jane.
Hi Vera, leuk dat je kijkt.
We have Brian
Liefde voor jou, Vera. Sorry?
We have Brian Jane on Facebook and Anne Kennedy.
Hi Anne. People watching on Facebook. People watching on Facebook and Instagram, if you can, head over to YouTube because we have a way better setup there. Otherwise, hey everybody. Yeah, super cool that everybody's here. Donation links are below. You can donate to Joao Gino, our sound man, to get us even better equipment. And now that Munir is here, we have the first song.
These were all pre-songs, but now
These were all pre-songs, but now the actual first song.
now's the
Oh man, I need to change this. I keep typing in Chinese and it's not the
No,
best.
you just hate it when that happens.
Shut up.
Oh. Again.
Dude, you just complained about the same thing.
Hashtag normal person problems.
You're the worst.
It is annoying. It is multilingual problems.
When you're annoyed with your multilingual friends and you make them refer to you as usted. Okay, here we go.
Problems.
We're gonna go and do a really beautiful James Taylor song. Is there anything else I need to say to people?
Something about money? I don't know.
Something about money. No donations, we just said. Donation link underneath. You can pay Jorginho.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's right. That's the joke.
Anyway, I hope you guys are having a lovely evening. You can type a joke type something funny into the comments and make us laugh.
About Benjamin's multilingual skills.
Never gonna live that down now. When you're down and trouble and you need a helping hand and nothing, oh nothing is going right. Close your eyes and think of me, and soon I will be there to brighten up even your darkest night. You just call out my name winter, spring, summer, or fall. All you gotta do is call, and I'll be there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You got a friend. If the sky above you should turn dark and full of clouds, and that old north wind should begin to blow, keep your head together and call my name out loud. Soon you'll hear me knocking upon your door. You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running to see you smiling again. Whoa. Winter, spring, summer, or fall, all you gotta do is call, and I'll be there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, ain't it good to know that you've got a friend when people can be so cold? They'll hurt you and desert you and take your soul if you let them, but don't you let them. You just call out my name, and I know wherever I am, I'll come running to see you smiling again. Winter, spring, summer, or fall, all you gotta do is call, and I'll be there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You got a friend. You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running to see you smiling again. Winter, spring, summer, or fall, all you gotta do is call, and I'll be there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You got a friend. James Taylor, you've got a friend. Thank you everybody for joining. Let's just keep going. Is it time for a duet already, Woods? Not yet, one more song. Okay, Woods is busy probably typing rude things into... So, last week, I obviously, I did a Cornish concert with loads of Cornish stuff in it, and there were some songs I didn't get round to. So now we're going to look at one of the songs. So when I was a lot younger, like 9 years ago, I entered, I got suggested to enter the sort of Celtic Eurovision, which is a song contest for people from Wales, Cornwall, Brittany, Ireland, Scotland, and the Isle of Man. And I won in 2011 for Cornwall, and I won again in 2012. And these two songs have won, I didn't get around to doing them last week. So here is one. It's called Mordid Bonans, The Tides of Life. And it is about the current state of fishing. This is one that won in 2011. It's about a fisherman who, when he's a kid, he grows up and he just wants to be a fisherman. He wants to go all around the world into all these harbors and collect songs. But because of how the world is now, because of how the economy's gone and how there's no fishing really in Cornwall anymore, well, there is, but it's, pressure, and that basically this guy who always just dreamt of being a fisherman basically is homeless, and there are no songs in the harbors anymore because the work has gone. And pretty sad song. So here we go, Life's Tides, Mordid Bonans, the Pan-Celtic Song Festival winner in 2011. In Porthscathol Maden, Marner agan ragar hans, Garoa hidivarv, Tiner thienev, Anduzaros dresto, Niverons in agon Squatis orthagathres, Ichwelsens kist garten. Pescados sempulgans tulonic in burnans, molen levor and rakuntel cano, Gans lemon purporth kilfjus savel. Wagen more, Gol his vesgans mortit burnans ihun roso. Lies, na jo ever gone, ha lemon guns put forth guac, he loveth illy drave, resurrem and go, impimion in poder, o taleth the clamder. Rages Jan Pine, Pescador Semple Gans Tulonic in Burnans, Moreland the Vorland Rakuntel Cano, Gans Lemon Purporth Kilfjus Savel Rose Wagen more, Gol his Vesgans Mordid Burnans Earn Roso. Geza du perdin, ni finabos in delma, Gan slimmen på Porthcilfie sa Velrus wagen more. Gol his fest gans more de burn and de hunros Thank you. Yeah, Mordid Bernans, the song that won the Pan Celtic Festival in 2011. Thank you, everybody, for joining. Ah, Pia, thank you. I'm glad you noticed the Bach at the end. Hueg u hihuathangamar. Miraz Andrew. Yes or
Ja.
volgende?
Nee, we gaan iets doen.
We gaan iets doen. Leuk. Help. Welk wil je zingen?
L'amour de moi.
Ah, oké, mooi. Do you need the text?
Ja.
Oh my lord. Having fun there?
Use that chair. Do you usually use that chair?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want to swap them?
Yeah.
We have to. Hashtag only hitter problems.
At least you had an excuse on somehow. If you change the chair, there's no excuse. No, it has to be just so you're aware of it. This will not do.
So anyway, ages ago, I did... are you singing this solo, Hitter? Ga je dit solo zingen?
Ik weet niet, wat is de tekst? Allemaal, ik moet even kijken hoe het liedje in elkaar zit.
Okay. Basically, when Andrew, sorry, I just checked the YouTube page. When Wids walked in, I asked if he wanted to sing anything, and he said, "Oh yeah, we can sing that one." So, and I know Helene isn't watching, but this is also one of her favorites.
Alle vier de coupletten?
Ja.
Dat is allemaal hetzelfde, toch? Nee, doe jij laten we het afwisselen. Ik doe de eerste en jij de tweede, dan kunnen we iets verzinnen.
Oké, maar dit is dan een soort van coupletten chorus, hè?
Oh, ja. Je hebt gelijk. Oké.
I haven't done it in this key either, because Wids needs it a bit lower.
We haven't done that in a while.
Okay, anyway, this is a beautiful old medieval French song. Oh, it was Mordid Bernans 2012. Haha. Thank you for being so attentive, Mum. That's hilarious. This is a gorgeous French medieval song, L'amour de moi, sung by onze boy.
Ja, doe ik allebei de coupletten?
Jij doet de eerste couplet en de eerste chorus. Dan doe ik deze. Dan doen we deze samen. Jij zingt hier melodie.
Ja, maar hoe gaat... Wat is... Oké, ja.
Ja?
Sorry, dus dit doe ik, dan jij en dan, wat doen we samen?
Oké, jij doet dit.
Mhm.
Ik doe dit. Jij zingt hier een melodie.
Oké.
Dan doe ik een derde.
Oké. Ja. Ben er klaar voor. Thank you for waiting.
Mooi hè? Hélas, il n'est si douce chose coração dulce rossignol qui chanta suem matine candile il sarà Sai giardin bel et plaisant, il est garni de toutes fleurs. On y prend soin les battements, autant la nuit comme le Nice one. L'amour de moi, or l'amour de moi, as it should be. Ah, Bertie, yes, of course.
Yeah,
Dig it up for old French.
for him,
From me.
for this guy.
Oh, and not Corey. I fail to believe.
L'amour de moi, si est enclose. Enclose. Dedans un joli jardinet.
Anyway, yeah, beautiful song. That's another euro in the beautiful jar. Can we just notice how lovely Hida's jumper is? Just we can have some love for that in the comments, please.
Right?
It's really nice. Do you wanna?
It's new.
Are you gonna?
It's new. Look how nice I look.
I hope there will be more French medieval songs. Yes, for sure. Like, dat wil ik echt serieus gaan doen. Dus als je iets kent, dan stuur het maar door. Ja, en jij kent natuurlijk ook heel veel daarvan. Ja, wat...
We kunnen gewoon wat oude melodietjes uitzoeken en daar kan je dan een geinig arrangementje van maken.
Ja. This is another one. ik vergeet hoe het gaat, maar... Anyway, yeah, I have ones up, so...
Aristides.
Ja.
Dat is leuk.
Ja, ga je dan zeggen.
Hoi Aris, leuk dat je kijkt. Aristides is my nephew. He's very small but very big and very cute.
Very small but very...
Yeah, he's 4.
Ah, very young.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah.
Very klein.
Very,
groot.
yeah, very...
Yeah.
Guys, if you have any suggestions or any songs you want to see or hear, yeah, do fight. Oh, guys, we should do a version of Mille Regrets.
Ah, ja man.
Okay, I'm gonna write that down.
Ja, dat soort dingen.
Yeah.
It's not really medieval, it's more like, you know, like Renaissance, but whatever. Actually, it's not really medieval. Or well, actually, I don't know. Maybe it is a
I don't-
medieval melody. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe he. Anyway, right.
Of the genre.
Yeah, no, thank you for the.
The real version is, I mean, the version we know is the remix from an older version. Yeah. Joss Quinn mix. Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna go back to. No, it's fine. We're gonna go back to Georgia. Well, not back. We haven't been there yet this evening, but so we go to Georgia, and we're gonna hear this beautiful song, Tbilisi, which is a love song about being in love with Tbilisi. And now, because of the quarantine, I want to travel everywhere, and I'm also very much missing Georgia. So here is a little homage to what do you say, Joao?
Missing Georgia and money.
Right, me, I'm missing Georgia and money, which is a nice thing to. Yeah, if you guys can donate, then use the links below. Thank you in advance. Nah,
Subtle.
yeah, it was a good segue, right? So here we are. Here is Tbilisi from Georgia, a love song about Tbilisi, the capital. I forgot how it starts, but I do know it's in F minor.
Nice.
Yeah, oh, well. I had like this whole arrangement worked out in my head, and now that was like 3 years ago and I've forgotten it. Netav sadaris kitevtsa Utziro lurci halasi Store di seti ragorcenia Naiare vitsar suli Nan grevi nari galasi Jagara savit shemak Jailin karton geivans Da gazapolis maqrebi Megebe an btswane chadrebi Aqarim gerot nelia Akhom vervevit merian Tatsat pirutzel argiperi Guardebis mchareo Ushenot Titoch letarminda Sadaris Swagana Khali Warazis Sadaris Jagaram Tatsminda Tarminda Sadaris Swagana Khali Warazi Sadaris Chagaram Tatsminda. Teli patlebi tan miak skars da gris pip kebachens sachlis skars Ketzachi adavi Mein Friedeli Pot Levis Toms Friedeli Pot From Georgia, Tbilisi, and Koiteli Potlevi, meaning golden leaves, two absolutely stunning songs. Yes, thank you. Merasikus. Well, it's been nice up until now. I mean, it will still be nice and continue to be nice. We're gonna just go for a ridiculously random Spanish song. No, not. Ave María, ¿cuándo serás mía? Si me quisieras todo te daría. Ave María, ¿cuándo serás mía? Al mismo cielo yo te llevaría. Dime tan solo una palabra que me devuelva la vida y se me queda en el alma, porque sin ti no tengo nada. Envuélveme con tus besos y ya más nada te pido. Y cuando yo te veo no sé lo que siento, y cuando yo te tengo me quemo por dentro, y más de ti yo me enamoro. Tú eres lo que quiero, tú eres mi tesoro. Ave María, ¿cuándo serás mía? Si me quisieras todo te daría. Ave María, ¿cuándo serás mía? Al mismo cielo yo te llevaría. Sin ti me siento tan perdido. Enséñame la salida y llévame siempre contigo. Protégeme con tu cariño, enciéndeme con tu fuego y ya más nada te pido, nada te pido. Y cuando yo te veo no sé lo que siento, y cuando yo te tengo me quemo por dentro, y más de ti yo me enamoro. Tú eres lo que quiero, tú eres mi tesoro. Ave María, ¿cuándo serás mía? Dame quisieras todo te daría. Ave María, ¿cuándo serás mía? Al mismo cielo yo te llevaría. Ave María, Ave María, ¿cuándo me quisieras? Dime tan solo una palabra que me devuelva la vida y se me quede en el alma, porque sin ti no tengo nada. Envuélveme con tus besos y ya más nada te pido, nada te pido. Y cuando yo te veo no sé lo que siento, y cuando yo te tengo me quemo por dentro, y más de ti yo me enamoro. Tú eres lo que quiero, tú eres mi tesoro. Ave María, ¿cuándo serás mía? Si me quisieras todo te daría. Ave María, ¿cuándo serás mía? Al mismo cielo yo te llevaría. Ave María, ¿cuándo serás mía? Si me quisieras todo te daría. Ave María, ¿cuándo serás mía? Al mismo cielo yo te llevaría. Ave María, my David Bisbal.
From the movie Acto de Hermanas.
Is it legit?
I don't know.
I don't know. I was like, that's weirdly specific if you know the song it was from. That would be great. Yeah.
Acto de Hermanas. I don't think he understood.
Yeah. What was it?
Acto de Hermanas.
Girls Act.
Hermana.
Yeah.
Acto.
Sister.
Tired of our constant tomfoolery.
I think it's time to do another Cornish one. Let
One
me.
that got you the win in the
In the year afterwards.
Celtic Festival in
Do you-
2018.
Do you want to come and announce it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. We're just going to announce it. 2013.
This is the song that Benjamin played in the Pan Celtic Festival in 2013. 2013. And it was so good that they decided never to do a Pan Celtic Festival ever again, because nothing would top this. It's called Breton Vihan,
which means
something about Brittany.
Bretagne,
Yeah, Brittany.
Brittany. Yeah.
Brittany.
And what is the text?
I don't. Well, I know, but I mean Benjamin will sing it for you, and he will do it. Well, not as good as I could read it, but you know, it's something. It's something. Why don't you tell us what the song is about, Benjamin?
Okay. This was Breton Vehan, meaning Brittany, as Wids just explained, and it's about somebody. Right. Okay. In Cornwall, Brittany is seen as a very magical place because when the English were attacking, a lot of Cornish people escaped to Brittany and started to live there about 1,000 years ago, so still a while ago, but Brittany has a sort of, like how Timbuktu has this magical feeling around it, for Cornish people, Brittany has a very much like mystical, just across the sea, so close yet so far, sort of ideology about it. And so this song is about somebody in Cornwall who's met someone from Breton Vihan, from Brittany, and they fall in love, of course, and the lover goes back to Brittany, but sinks on the ship. And so the guy is walking along the beaches in Cornwall saying, I wish I was in Brittany, but even if I was there, you wouldn't be there with me. So, once again, like I said, Cornish songs generally don't tend to be happy.
Did you write the words yourself?
I did write the words myself.
Okay.
And I wrote the words myself to the last one as well. That's a good thing to point out.
You're very depressing guy.
Yeah, then I met Hidda and I wasn't allowed to be depressed anymore.
Yeah.
Which is nice.
He don't play that game. Bottle it up. Pretend.
Punch a wall instead.
Yeah.
We're joking, but he is really like that. Please send help.
What did you say?
Nothing, Hidda. Okay, enough tomfoolery, as Hidda would say. So with this one, you have to imagine like drums and a big, like massive drums and guitars and real stereotypical, which I can't quite achieve with the piano, but so just imagine. Exactly.
Since
Breton Vin, Brittany. Winner of the 2013 Pan-Celtic Festival for Cornwall. Oh, sorry. Vera. Kompak. I feel like whoever that joke is about will love that we're doing it live now on a Kompak, Pak, Pan-Celtic. Yeah, what else did we have? We're going to go across to China, because why not? We can.
Yeah. Why not? Should you wear less? Not anymore, I think.
This is a beautiful song about somebody walking up a mountain, and I forgot what the rest of the text was. No, it's about somebody. The song is like one road leading up the mountain, and it's about a person who's walking along, and as they're walking along, they're projecting everything they're feeling onto the environment around them. So they see the fish, they see the dragons, and they start interacting with the person. And in the background, he sort of hears the voice of his old lover, and he asks, when he hears this voice, he asks the clouds. Even the clouds have heard this story of their love, and they're laughing at the two lovers. And it's a very sad song. It's a bit of a more relaxed vibe today, by which I mean just sad today. So.
Back to normal.
Qing shi pen yu zhe shui de meng a, yi cheng qu yu, yuo luo yi li hua, lü ren cong cong de gan hua, cao si ji feng ren jia. 当昨夜天空打破了远山的轮廓，想起很久之前我们都忘了说，一夜求着过火药意的干戈，找不知干不过。 山谷的薄雾吻着烟霞，枯叶之下，曾着刷金花，划破天空的归鸟啊，更不更想真高。他不问你不答，梧桐昨夜天晚扎破了远山的轮廓，闪着喊着只将我们都忘了说，一夜住着过火有一道坎坷，遭不住看不破，潺潺流水中我掌握了城山一座座，好像多年之后你依然记着，白雁是否也听过你的诉说，笑着你，笑着我，笑着你，笑着蝴蝶眨几侧眼睛，在水会飞行，夜空洒满了星星，但几颗会落地。我飞行，但你坠落之际很靠近，还听见呼吸。对不起，我却没抓紧你。你不知道我为什么离开你，我真却不能说法让你哭泣，你的泪滴像倾盆大雨，碎了满地，在心里清晰。你不知道我为什么狠下心，盘旋在你看不见的高空里，多的是你不知道的事。蝴蝶眨几侧眼睛，在水会飞行，夜空洒满了星星，但几颗会落地。我飞行，但你坠落之际很靠近，还听见 追没抓紧你，你不知道我为什么离开你，我真的不能说发人的哭泣，你的泪滴渗进盆栽也碎了满地，在心里清晰。你不知道我为什么狠下心，盘旋在你看不见的高空里，多的是你不知道的事。多的是你不知道的事。Absolutely love that song, in case you didn't realize. That was,
Thanks for clarifying.
yeah, no, that really, oh
I
man.
hate that song.
That was, Ni bujida de shu, all the things you don't know. And the first one was, I can't remember, what was the first one? One Road on a Mountain Path. Fortunately, our sound man's fallen asleep. So, oh man, he really has. Oh, it's so cute. Joao actually did fall asleep.
How long was I up?
2 songs.
Well, we sing like an angel.
Thank you, Jorginho. And thank you, Greg. I love arranging those Chinese songs. And actually, I'm working with an amazing Chinese singer and zither player. And we actually have an arrangement of that first one. We have a beautiful arrangement of that with her playing as well. So when we get the new microphones, we'll be able to bring her in as well. And yeah, sing together with her. Right, yeah. Next week, no crunchy sweets because it's the most distracting thing. I'm here playing these like lovely intros, and all I hear is these boys on the sofa going. Are you gonna come? This is what I hear. So nice chords.
I was dreaming about this in my nap.
Thank you, your team. It is a gorgeous song. I agree. Moving on, yeah, from that. I hope you guys enjoyed that free little bit of ASMR. Anyway, wait, are we doing another one?
Yeah,
Which one?
the happy one.
Okay. So we're actually going to sing a happy song. Wiz is going to join me.
You've got a friend in me.
You've got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, you just remember what your old pal said. Boy, you've got a friend in me. Yeah, you've got a friend in me.
You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got troubles, I got them too. Oh, there isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. If we stick together, we can see it through. 'Cause you got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me. Some other folks might be a little bit smarter than I am and better at maths, bigger and stronger too. Maybe. But none of them will ever love you the way I do. It's me and you, boy.
And as the years go by, friendship will never die. You're gonna see it's our destiny. You've got a friend in me.
Yeah, you've got a friend in me. Yeah, you've got a friend in me. You got a friend in me.
You've got a friend in me.
When the road looks rough ahead
And you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed.
oh, you just remember what your old pal said.
Boy, you've got a friend in me.
Oh, you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got troubles,
And I've got 'em too. You've got 'em too.
all right, yeah. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. If we stick together, we can see it through.
'Cause you've got a friend in me.
Oh, you got a friend in Nice. Should we do the other one? I've forgotten what it was. What did we say we do? Ah, ja.
Ja, nu?
Ja, leuk. Ik had de tekst hier al ergens.
In ieder hart een toevluchtsoord, waar elke wond weer wordt geheeld. Voorbij een liefde schuilen daar, tot er een nieuwe liefde speelt. Bedachtzaam heb ik het gedeeld. Je was oprecht geen schone schijn, toch heb ik vast te veel gezegd. Ik durf alleen nog stil te zijn. met doornen bleek te zijn. Zo gaat het voort, zo gaat het voort. Een liefde in de kiem gesmoord. Ging jij mijn stilte uit de weg? Ik was me daar niet van bewust. Ik deel met jou mijn toevluchtsoord en breek mijn hart dan maar gerust. Ik sluit mijn ogen, hou mijn woord. Ik heb al vaak te veel gezien. Zo gaat het voort, zo gaat het voort. En jij alleen weet van dat woord. Als ik kon zeggen wat ik wou, koos ik voor jou nu zelfbewust. Maar lieve schat, het is aan jou. En breek mijn hart dan maar gerust. Zo gaat het voort, zo gaat het voort. En jij alleen weet van dat
Mooi gedaan, man.
Dankjewel. Ik voelde je ogen.
Mijn ogen? Ja. Nou, dat was echt even van, nee, alarm.
We komen eruit.
Ja, precies. Dus dat in mijn hoofd. Hey, je ma zei dat het mooi was.
Oh.
Bedankt.
Thanks,
Thank you,
Mama.
Bertie. Thank you, Greg. Thank you, Joao. And yeah, hey, John, lovely that you're there. I was going to send you a text today saying you haven't called me back. No, you haven't requested anything in a while. If you'd like anything ever, just let me know. And now I do have to do this.
Yeah, I like that one. Sounds yummy.
I haven't played this in years, so hopefully it will work. But I do feel like
Geisha mix.
I do feel like a bit of musical is needed in our lives. Out in the darkness, a fugitive running, fallen from God, fallen from grace. God be my witness, I never shall yield till we come face to face, till we come face to face. He knows his way in the dark, mine is the way of the Lord. Those who follow the path of the righteous shall have their reward. And if they fall as Lucifer fell, the flames, the sword, stars in your multitudes, scarce to be counted, filling the darkness with order and light. You are the sentinels, silent and sure, keeping watch in the night, keeping watch in the night. You know your place in the sky, you hold your course and your aim, and in each season returns and returns, and is always the same. And if you fall as Lucifer fell, you fall in flame. And so it must be, and so it is written on the doorway to paradise, that those who falter and those who fall must pay the price. Lord, let me find him, that I may see him, safe behind bars. I will never rest, safe behind bars. This I swear, this I swear by the stars. Whoa, that was fun. Whew, stars from Les Mis, especially for Mum. Thank you, Beth.
Les Mis, I don't know that one.
Yeah, it's
I mean, I know Les Mis, of course, but I don't know the
yeah, it's what the
extended edition.
it's what who's what's the policeman called?
Javert.
Yeah, Javert. It's what Javert sings the first time Jean Valjean gets away. Jean Valjean, Jorginho.
We can do that one sometime.
Oh yeah, that would be a good one. Any what other? Do not forget me. Yeah, let's do that.
Before you say another word,
Javert.
before you tie me up like a slave again.
My name is Jean. Oh, that's so good. Yep. Okay, we can do that one.
601.
We can do that one another time. Oh, whew, there we Man, that was a very fun one to sing. What else do we have on the sheets? Guys, you've been really quiet. There have been no suggestions. Thank you. Yeah, Mum, I thought you'd like that one. Thank you. Thanks, Greg. It is very fun singing that one. We had a special day. Guys. You guys.
To whom?
To Andrea en español.
In Espanol?
Cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz. Te deseamos todos cumpleaños feliz. Okay? Guys, you can all sing at home in your own language for Andrea. Cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz, te deseamos todos. Cumpleaños feliz. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Andrea. Happy birthday to you. Lang zal ze leven, lang zal ze leven, lang zal ze leven in de gloria, in de gloria, in de gloria. Cumpleaños feliz, schatje.
Lang zal ze leven, lang zal ze leven.
She's from Peru, but sure.
Oh, then why did we sing Feliz?
Because I was practicing a Spanish song yesterday.
Feliz.
Belly. Belly. No, laat maar.
Lang zal ze leven. Is een jarig Harry. Hoera, hoera. Dat kon je wel zien, dat is 50.
Okay, so staying on the theme of songs my mum likes.
Songs that my mom.
Grammar.
Your parents should probably.
No, it's not like they're both language teachers.
That's the thing. We raised our boy.
Ibangs and braes o bonito, how can ye bloom, say fresh and fair? How can ye chant, ye warbling birds, and I say weary for care. Ye'll break my heart, ye warbling birds that wanton through the flowery thorn. Ye mind me of departed joys, departed Oft have I roamed by bonny Doon to see the rose and the woods by twine, and ilka bird sang o its love and fall. sever. Eifar will last forever. Deep in heart-wrung tears I'll pledge thee. Warring sighs and groans I'll wage thee. Who shall say that fortune grieves them while the star of hope she leaves him in a cheerful twinkle lights me. Dark despair around benights me. I'll ne'er blame my partial fancy. Nothing could resist my Nancy. For to see her was to love her. Love buttered and love forever. Have we never loved so kindly? Had we never loved so blindly? Never met or never parted, we'd have never been broken hearted. Fare thee well, our first and fairest. Fare thee well, thou best and dearest. Thy bilk joy and treasure, peace, enjoyment, love and pleasure. A fond kiss and then we sever. A farewell lasts forever. Deep in heart-wrung tears I'll pledge thee. Warring sighs von Kiss. And the first one was Banks and Braes, both Scottish folk tunes. Well, the first one was a Scottish folk tune. The second one is by Burns, Robbie Burns. And I set it to music, and it was called, and the name of the tune is Charlie's Theme, so you guys can work out who that was written for. Who occasionally hides in the chat under a fake name. John Smith. I don't know what the Indonesian version would be of John Smith. I don't know enough Indonesian to even make the joke about it.
Anything we would try would come off as not completely sensitive, I think.
Exactly, yeah. That's whew. Yeah, right. Ha. Thank you everybody for watching. It's been great singing with you. We're not ending yet. We've still got a good few songs. So there's still time for you to invite somebody. Remember, there are donation links underneath the video. Make sure you subscribe. I keep forgetting to say that. Please subscribe and tell everybody you know to subscribe, because it helps me so much. You guys don't really know how much it helps. And afterwards, write a comment, not in the chat here, but write a comment underneath the video and just share it with people. Tomorrow we'll have the set list already. And, you know, even if you just send it and just say, listen to this one song, every little that you guys can do really, really helps. So thank you in advance for anything you guys want to do. Remember, donate, subscribe, like the video, share it. Everything I would be grateful for. Thank you very much in advance. Where do we go from here? We still have a few minutes and we still have a few songs. I'm going to do one of my favorite ones that I've written. It's called Girasoles, which is sunflowers in Spanish, and it's a song about how when we're born, there are these things that hurt us and we suffer because we don't get loved in the way that we need. And as we grow up, we can actually communicate that with people and say, look, I have scars. This is where I hurt. And it's about saying, you know, how the power of dancing in that actually, and the power of connecting with somebody on such a level that you actually use it as a way to heal yourself. And I wrote this song, and I had these verses, and then I couldn't think of a chorus. And I was biking through The Hague, and I saw this guy dressed up in a suit with a load of girasoles, with sunflowers, walking. And I was like, I know it's going to be this song about sunflowers. And that was when I came home and I wrote the chorus in a blaze of inspiration, which was a very nice feeling to have that, to be so inspired. So here we are. This is my song, Girasoles. Cuando crecemos, hay cosas que nos duelan y dan dolor. Cuando crecemos, sufrimos por la falta del amor que necesitamos recibir, y tarda tiempo en decir, tengo cicatrices que contigo puedo surcir. Cuando bailamos, olvido todo el resto alrededor, me quedo contigo, con música en todo resplandor. Todo se para de existir, contigo me siento difundir, la sala se alumbra y nos ven escapar. Girasoles giran para ver la luz, yo cuando bailo te veo, voy girando y dándote vueltas que nos quita la soledad. Dentro de tus ojos veo afirmación, bellas aceptas y yo te acepto a ti. Girasoles giran para ver su luz mientras la mía está aquí. Entrelazados, dibujamos movimientos bien sensuales, vamos cosiendo lugares que por años me dolieron. Suelto la pena que llevaba, te agradezco por cada vez me bailabas y nunca lo olvido. Girasoles giran para ver la luz, yo cuando bailo te veo, voy girando y dándote vueltas que nos quita la soledad. Dentro de tus ojos veo afirmación, me aceptas y yo te acepto a ti. Girasoles giran para ver su luz mientras la mía está aquí. Girasoles giran para ver la luz. Voy girando y dándote vueltas que nos quita la soledad. Dentro de tus ojos veo afirmación, me aceptas y yo te acepto a ti. Girasoles giran para ver su luz mientras la mía está aquí. Let's sing in English while we dance a while. I never understand what they're singing about. Just for this moment, you and I can smile, singing a melody we know. Dancing on the waves, we'll keep dancing on the waves, lost completely in the heart's embrace. Dancing on the waves, we'll keep dancing on the waves. The sunset will paint our score while we dance away. And in the morning, if I'm ever down, I know the evening time will be better again. Taking these steps, be dancing on the waves. We'll keep dancing on the waves. The sunset will paint us gold while we dance away. Dancing on the waves, we'll keep dancing on the waves, lost completely in our heart's embrace. Dancing on the waves, we'll keep dancing on the waves. The sunset will paint us gold while we dance away.
Nice touch.
Ah, thank you.
Was it Shakira trying to get in?
Hmm.
We felt it. No, before that. On the bridge. On the bridge.
I know. Yeah, exactly.
Would you like to have some crunchy?
I would absolutely not. And the next time you're eating out of a bowl or having different snacks.
Yeah, this time it wasn't the snacks itself, it was the plastic in the bag.
I was trying to be so quiet.
Yeah. Like those guys in the movies.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you, Huda.
Yeah, now we're in the end of the concert.
Well, we have permission to go a little bit over time, and since we have a lot of people still watching, thank you everybody for joining. Remember donation links below. I had this really cool idea today, and I grew up really liking musicals, and basically I suddenly had this idea of like, man, we have these concerts, and we can do concert versions of musicals. So I had this idea of inviting like 3 or 4 amazing singers. I've already had yeses from 2 people who sing in like the Dutch Chamber Choir and the Dutch National Opera. So like we're gonna have amazing singers just coming in. I've got a pianist as well. So now it's like, man, we have these amazing possibilities, but what we need is we need mics before we can do all of that, because we need, obviously, I'm not gonna let people come in and sing when we have this, because, you know, well, you know, like if we're having like legit people coming in, it's a bit, you know, more high class than the 3 of us just fucking around. As nice as that is, and it's lovely, and I apologize that I just said it on Facebook. But you know that if we actually invite people as guests, then I really want, you know, a mic on each person. So remember the donate button is down underneath, and thank you very much if you do have any spare change, because every little absolutely helps. And there's some really cool musicals. You know, we had an idea we can do a Sondheim evening, and well, there's just loads of possibilities. But first, we need to become independent, like equipment-wise. So. And we actually need more equipment. That's the thing. We don't just need 2 microphones. We need like 6 microphones. So thank you everybody who wants to donate in advance. It's really gratefully received. Anyway, now we're going to go on to some more songs. Did you not hear my lady go down the garden thrush was silent to see the alleys ringing. Oh, saw you not my Sorry, is there something wrong? Oh, Joao was making these grand gestures behind the keyboard. Sorry, I thought we were not live. Okay, start again. Did you not hear my lady go down the garden singing? Blackbird and thrush were silent to hear the alleys ringing. Oh, saw you not my lady out in the garden there, shaming the rose and lily, for she is twice as fair. Though I am nothing to her, though she must rarely look at me, and though I could never woo her, I love her till I die. Surely you heard my lady go down the garden singing, silencing all the songbirds and setting the alleys ringing. But surely you see my lady out in the garden, rivaling the glittering sunshine with a glory of golden That I started it and I was like, why did I start doing that? This is ridiculous. So that was major panic. I mean, it was really fun, you know. But yeah, I mean, it's a Baroque song, right? It's I forgot. I mean, not with that accompaniment. Non lo dirò col labbro che tanto ardir non ha. Non lo dirò con labbro, non lo dirò col labbro. I think it's Mozart. I don't know. I don't know who it is. Oh, we even got a love heart from my mum, so. Okay, so one of my very good Chinese friends has just tuned in, and unfortunately I did both of my Chinese songs, but I have like half of a Chinese song, which you guys will understand when I start doing it. I just hope that I can find it in time. Yes, I found it. You're right there, guys. This is so off-putting, having the Wids and Joao Ginho whispering behind the... Right, here we go. Okay, good to know, I guess. Oh no, wait, I just lost it. Where did it go? Oh, I just closed it. Hold on. No, wait. There we go. Right. Come up to meet you, tell you I'm sorry. You don't know how lovely you are. I had to find you, tell you I need you, tell you I set you apart. Tell me your secrets, ask me your questions. Oh, let's go back to the start. Running in circles, coming up tails, heads on a science apart. Meilleur Schotten Romney, Dome Kashi Burnung Honey Taichi, Meilleur Nung Tong Rong Mien Dui, Meilleur Tung Schwager Ute Jana. Chong Xing Ren Shen Ni. I was just guessing at numbers and figures, pulling your puzzles apart. Questions are science, science in progress. Do not speak as loud as my heart. Tell me you love me, come back and haunt me. Oh, when I rush to the start, running in circles, chasing our tails, oh, coming back as we are. Mayor and Schwarger and wrong, yeah. Doma Kashi Bottom Honey Taichi. Chong Shin Ren Shen Ni. Yeah. Wünschen nie. I'm going back to the start. Oh, take me back to the start. The scientist, half in English, half in Chinese.
Dark ending.
Thank you. Yeah, I was happy with how I played that note as well. Very dark ending. We are 10 minutes over time. We're going to do one final last one. One guy's at...
We are 10 minutes over time. We're going to do 5 more songs.
No. This is legit just one more song. Thank you guys for joining. I'll do my whole spiel now. Thank you everybody for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, donate underneath if you can. Anything gratefully received. We want to keep bringing this to you, and we want to invite way more people, and we want to do way more exciting music, whole mini operas, whole musicals and stuff. So if you can donate anything, help us achieve that. That would be absolutely great. We've already had some amazing donations, and thank you everybody who has donated so far. Thank you for joining us today. Next week, just another awesome concert. There's not a special theme, but we'll see you here at 8 till 10 Dutch time next Friday. Make any suggestions or songs that you want to hear, send it over via the Facebook page, via the Instagram, via YouTube, carrier pigeon, however you want to do it. And here we go. Here's one final song.
Please, can I just say, please someone send a pigeon.
Yeah, if somebody sends a carrier pigeon, then we will for sure do it. Maak de wind je lieve lippen schraal. Vraagt de wereld jou om klare taal. Ik trakteer je op een warm onthaal. Zo voel je wat ik voel. En in de schaduw van de duisternis, wanneer er niemand in je buurt meer is, smeet ik onze zielsverbintenis. Eens voel je wat ik voel. Ik weet dat jij nog aan het twijfelen bent. Ik heb het beste met je voor. Ik weet het sinds de dag dat jij mij kent. Ik twijfel niet of jij wel bij me hoort. Ik verdraag ellende, honger, kou. Ik knijp op mijn knieën nog een weg naar jou. Niks weerhoudt me, want ik hou van jou. Eens voel je wat ik voel. Er is een wilde woeste storm opkomt. Die laat geen ruimte meer voor spijn. Al het gejammer is een keer verstomd. Gun me gewoon nog even tijd. Breng je geluk, ik maak je dromen waar. Thank you, everybody who joined us today. It was lovely having you here and lovely being able to sing with you. Thanks to Jorginho Asama and thanks to Wedzinho for joining me singing and for general gaiety behind the screens. Thanks to Andre for the microphone. Thanks to the people here at the Muziekkamer that we're allowed to be here. It's amazing. And that's it, really. Have a lovely week. Yeah, stay safe, stay healthy. Let us know of any songs you want. And otherwise, have a good week. Love you all. Be nice to each other. Ciao, guys.